really needs an umbrella over here.
Oh, a couple more hours and the sun will be behind the trees.
Jeff's gonna get a $150 tent. Josh got these because he wanted them. Why do you get the portable fan, Jeff?
Yes. Steve's head sweaty.
Oh yeah. Oh hey, look at that. It's right over the old siding.
Ooh, old siding.
Mm-hmm. That'll be fun.
That's how I know it's a good job.
Here we are cutting away the existing siding on the side of the house to make room for the new wider deck that will be in its place. So we have space to hang the boards against the house, using the house as an anchor for the boards that will be supporting the deck. So it'll be one continuous unit from the house through the boards, through the deck, to the concrete piers, creating a nice stable surface, very structurally sound.
It falls off just like a tree. Oh wait, it's nailed in.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, I guess I get a hammer.
Let's get a claw hammer.
Rip it out. BRB.
Okay.
At this point, we have already drilled holes through the board. We are now lining up the board where it needs to be on the wall and marking the wall through those holes where we need to drill the wall for our anchors. Since this area of the house has a concrete floor, we need suitable anchors for the deck.
Probably about there into the concrete. Then we'll be in like that. Should go a little beyond it really. So that'll be about right, because then that'll be up. We'll have to cut the next board to, if we're going to double it up, you're going to need to
Can I help you, sir?
Okay, vacuum it, and we'll
Alright, so as you saw, we're just drilling into the concrete. We're drilling out to put anchors through the boards into the wall so we can support the deck we're using in the house. So we need to drill into the concrete to be able to put the anchors in, and then now we're going to drill into the wood into anchor through the siding on this side.
it's on this, okay? It's on those?
It's on this one, but it's not going. Oh, mallet. Oh, we got it.
Cut.
No. Here. Oh, my ears.
Shut up. There we go.
The peaks in the waveform. The peaks in the waveform.
So we're only using one board?
Oh Well, let's see what happens. Tighten this down.
They can hear that in Indianapolis.
Or just in Indianapolis.
So you know, it's true.
Eddie, you can't sit down and record. You gotta zoom in on this.
Okay, I'll zoom in.
Get your ass up here, close up, without zoom. It's better.
So you don't want to zoom in.
Want your ass up here.
So we're both gonna stand here and watch him.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, what else are you doing? You're sitting there watching him? Oh. See you, put the board out.
Yeah, sure did. That's fun.
Board's not level.
Board's a little warped.
The board is level, the house is crooked.
You're crooked.
We already checked.
That Jeff is crooked? Yes. Let's get it on. Get better in a minute.
If you slap it and say that ain't going nowhere, it
that
won't.
ain't going nowhere. See?
Now the board's straight.
I'll tighten this down a second.
You go from the inside out like a
Engine.
valve.
I didn't measure anything, so this is probably going to be on one of the cross pieces. One of the...
It should be.
Actually, it should be fine, actually.
Lucky then. There you go.
No, tighten the next one.
Yeah.
Bang!
See, he agrees.
What's going on? Why are there horns honking?
Yeah, it's fine.
There's horns honking and there's loud noises in the background. I'm so sorry for everybody, but they're chopping down trees across the street.
All right, everyone. I have banana bread to go check on. I'll see you guys around.
We are now attaching the second board to the first board that was attached to the house, and this is the board that the deck will actually be attached to.
That bad boy's not going anywhere.
Shit.
It's got 800 screws in it. Hey, Stevie used all the wrong screws.
I did. Those are correct. I was going through a single piece of 2x8 into another, so it's like got a 2 1/4 smooth on it. Those other ones are fine. They're going to be fine for the posts, but that's going to be nice and strong for us. Plus, when you put the actual stringers or the holders on, were you going to use these screws?
No, nails.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Now you are.
You need to go through this bridge. When I let go down.
Okay.
Wanna go up? There you go, perfect.
Okay. Won't hit my thumb.
Hit the hammer like a man. I am.
Well, you're doing a cross hatch.
Who?
Thing is, I got to get in front of the camera to do this.
Okay, I'll move the camera. You want a bigger hammer?
Nah.
That's good. Who wants to donate a nail gun to our channel? My email is below in the description.
I don't think you can nail gun these.
Yeah, you can.
Can you?
I've seen Perkins do it.
Perkins.
Bigger hammers too.
Mm-hmm. All right. Now we just gotta square that up.
Yes.
Great. It's gonna be too tight. Watch.
Yeah. Lever it out.
Well, don't you put the first one in, then you put the nail in again?
Yes.
You don't have any scrap on this yet, do you?
Oh,
Damn.
scrap. I mean,
I don't know. But if I try to do this, it might be too tight.
I can grab another board and put them both together.
Let's try that.
Only if we had a third person to help us.
Teddy's baking banana bread. It's okay.
Making banana bread for the comments below. Free banana bread if you subscribe.
Yeah.
It'll taste good, at least. Oh god. Shred. Good thing all the nails just dumped on the ground. Well, I had gloves for
Hey,
superior.
there's the bit.
I saw it there. I saw it earlier.
Sweet.
Yeah, it hangs.
Good. Yeah, it's fine if it's not flush. I just need to know. There you go. It's kind of holding there, and then I can just.
Mark it.
I mean, yeah, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It's pretty good. All right, get rid of the boards. I got it. Yeah, just leave it. Hold nail. There you go.
Huh.
That's fine. Close enough.
Right there.
It's good enough. Wow. Everything's coming up. Everything's happening.
Don't worry, the camera's looking at your feet, not anything else now. How many nails do we need?
Yes.
Oh god, the nails are everywhere. More on the top of each.
How am I supposed to get in there with that without killing this thing?
Very carefully. Swing lefty from another direction. I can't
See, I can't. You're lefty, get it. You're not going to get that. Yeah, we don't need that. Get a flathead screwdriver. No, you're going to bend the shit out of it.
Go from underneath. I'm lightheaded.
Get a flathead screwdriver. And I'll hammer this in. Alright, so we got a nail here that's really badly bent because we're stupid. So we're just going to use a flathead screwdriver in there and we're going to pry it out a little bit and then I'll use it to drive it in. We didn't need it in the first place, but it can stay there, it's fine.
A nice tip, Steve.
It's not a pro tip, that is, that's TM, Perkin Brothers. I'm not legally allowed to give out pro tips because I'm not a pro. Because I'm paid to pretend to know what I'm doing. Maybe.
Hey, you did it. Now you can get one on the other side.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. That's more than enough.
Yeah, it's fine. It's actually super strong as with just the 3.
Yeah.
Or the 6, I guess.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're gonna do the same thing again. So I'm gonna cut it off here, and we'll bring it back to you when we're on the next stage.
Help you, sir?
Holy shit, it's perfectly level. Let me get the big level just to make sure. Oh god.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's perfect.
We tap it against the wall and we can secure it. That's funny.
Oh yeah, it's perfectly level.
Wow.
So how's this secure now?
Um,
So you literally didn't need that at all.
We do, for, you know, a couple inches.
we need like 3 inches of this.
That's amazing.
This piece is a little bit longer.
Bouncing.
This piece is a little bit longer.
So what you gonna do on the front? You gonna just cut this short and like run up across the whole front, or you want this out, or you want it between?
The only thing we need to make sure is I need to square it.
Yeah, we'll get that. Oh, is that side level too?
I don't think so.
That'd be
impossible. This side's lower than the other one.
You're also measuring it off the cardboard, not the actual cement.
We're not measuring.
It's like 1/4 inch low.
It's fine.
And again, it's resting on the cardboard, not the cement.
It doesn't really matter.
It doesn't matter.
We're not measuring it. We're going at when it's level. That's where we cut it.
Well, let me get the knife and I'll start getting this cardboard off.
Okay, so
Ollie!
You okay, bud?
I hate this. I don't have him to play.
Play what? Oh, those concrete piers look magnificent.
throw it on the debris pile and burn it.
Hey, burn the world. Almost there, Ted. I believe in you.
Why didn't you use release spray?
Dead center on the hole, or
Yep.
sure I can put it more towards the center of the pier.
Anywhere in there is fine. Anywhere in the oval.
Okay, good. Good.
Do a little extra.
Huh?
Go a little in beyond.
Oh, okay.
Inevitably, there'll be a little bit of dust settle. That's
Okay.
fine.
Suck it out with the vacuum.
Good.
All right, now that we found our marks for our posts, I know we didn't talk about any of that, but we centered our posts as best we could on the pillars. Now we need to anchor in the post anchors to the concrete. Yeah,
Yes.
This.
Yeah.
And this is the best part, probably, of the whole project. And the rest is going to be terrible.
I think you got it.
Yeah, that's it.
There we go.
All right, so we got the, I don't know if it's on my face, but whatever, I can cut this part. All right, so we got the exterior framing done. Next step will be to put the interior rafters up on some hangers. Hi, Steve. Once we're done with that, then we're gonna put the rafters, no, once we're done putting the rafters in, then we put the decking on. We'll get to the stairs eventually, you know, sometime sooner or later. That's gonna be a little rough, but I'll figure it out once we get that far. All right, well, I'll see you when we get the rafters done.